Hello all the warriors, this is Roy, welcome to Arena, and today we're gonna unboxing this mini 4-wheel drive RC cars, and this is sponsored by Xotik, and then we're gonna unboxing it and see what's inside and how it looks like. Alright, so let's start today's video. Let's go. Okay, so let's start from the box first. So the box, obviously you can see there's 3 cars. So here you can see the one I have is this one, and there's another one is like the race style, and this is the truck style, and there's a remote. And this one comes with the bonus, a set of the tire included. And here it shows the detailed rechargeable battery and the remote. Okay, and this is how the remote looks like. Okay, it shows the detail about the remote, and here this one, yeah, you can see now it's much more clear about what the other two looks like. Okay, and there's come with the charger, the cables. Okay, and here you can see the steering wheel, the systems and the motors, and there's the bodies and the rechargeable battery and the bumpers, and there's a body lock, and also over here see the body lock, and over here you can see there's a website for that, so if you want it you can take a look at it. Okay, so let's open it and see what's inside. Okay, so here obviously you can see this is the car. Actually it's already built, so you don't really have to do anything about it, so you can just charge the battery and turn it on and ready to go. Okay, and then next, and this is the tire. It says for the bonus and come with it to for us to if you want to change it. So this is the tires, and this is the cable to charge the battery. Okay, and that's the wire, and this is the remote. Okay, so that's the remote that you can use to control the car, and also it comes with the instruction manual. Then you can, if there's any question or something, you explain in English, so you can definitely get it and explain a lot of everything. All right, so then we're gonna open the car and see what it looks like inside. All right. Okay, so now we can see, like now I'm taking off the body. So basic is poly body as well, so it's very light. Okay, it's poly body. So but I believe this body you can change to the body that you want, so it doesn't really have to be the body it come with. You can change to the body you like, let's say Sundershot, or even though you like Mach 3 or the T-Shot Junior, whatever, Winningbird, you can switch to the body as long as it fit. Okay, I don't know is that gonna be fit or not, but I will try it later once I have time. Maybe give me some time, I will figure that out. So this is the body. Okay, and then we take a look at it. It really looks like AR actually. So and you can see there's a lot of mounting point. So basically you can make this car as your open class setup as well, because there's a mounting spot that you could do, so you can still do a lot of modifications and make it as like an open class car. You know, you can put whatever is on it, but you know what, maybe later on we're gonna give it a try and we're gonna build one and see how it looks like. Maybe it's gonna looks good. Okay, and this is our small drivers. Okay, and then let's take a look at the bottom. So the bottom over here, this is the, okay, so here's where we charge the battery, and there is the switch. Okay, the on and off. Okay, so see this is the rear plates. You can take it off. I think you just take off the screws and you can place whatever, even though you can try to put anchor system on this one, I guess. Okay, and the other thing is for this one, in the package it comes with 2 of the tire ruts. So those, there's oops, here it shows right over here, let me show you. It shows +1 and -1. So I believe this is you can follow the instructions, and it shows you if you want to change it you want to make longer or something, see which one you like. So it give you 2 more options that you can adjust to the way that you want it. All right, so this is the car, how it looks like inside. All right. Okay, so this is the remote control about this car. And of course, this is the steering wheels, and this is the speed. And then there's I tried to read the manual, but I'm not really understand about these 2 buttons, and so I think I need to figure it out when I really testing it, because this is the power button, I know. The other thing is at the bottom over here, I prepared 2 battery, like a AA, but actually when I open it, and because there's a screw, you just release the screws a little bit, lose the screw a little bit, then you'll be able to open it. Sorry. You'll be able to open it just by push, and I realized that is AAA. So right now I don't have a battery to test it, because right now it's already 1:40 a.m. so it's like very late already, so I can't find any battery to test it. So I will leave the test run video for the next time. All right, so this is today's video, and if you are interested about this car, I will leave the name, because I believe they have a Facebook page, like a fans page, I think that is. So I will leave the Facebook page over here and the name, and so you can search on the Facebook. If you're interested, you can take a look at it, and if you want to try to get one, you can contact with the person whoever in charge of the page, so you can ask the details about it. All right, so this is today's video, and if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share this video. All right, thank you very much. Don't forget to press the bell, so if I have the new video, then you will know it right away. Thank you. I'll see you next time.